Well, we have more sunshine, more heat, and the return of some smoke from Canadian wildfires, and also a decent chance of some rain Friday into the weekend. So critical fire danger for northeastern Minnesota, but really statewide. Very dry today because relative humidity is very low. We still have very low dew points. So that humidity, remember, it's relative. It's a higher percentage of the water in the air compared to what it can hold at cooler temperatures in the morning. But then in the afternoon, as the temperature goes up and those dew points stay the same, the humidity level percentage drops. And still a bit of a breeze today, especially southern and northeastern Minnesota. Wind gusts still 15 to 20 miles an hour, which aren't terribly impressive, but if a fire gets going, they can spread. And so particularly northeastern Minnesota, because of course they're several weeks behind the southern part of the state with green up, there's more dead debris around. And again, those dry dew points, 30s and 40s dew points for June is very low. And that's why this afternoon with temperatures in the 80s, we're looking at relative humidity values of 15 to 30%. So some very dry air. Near critical fire weather conditions, and more smoke blowing in from fires not in Minnesota but across Canada still raging. The flow is coming back in from the northeast. We've got that upper level high, that heat dome, and as it moves east, it's pushing back in from the north aloft more smoke as this upper level low moves out, and we can see some of that smoke already on satellite imagery Tuesday, and then we're going to see more of that. Along with the smoke is going to come, of course, warmer temperatures with that heat bubble. It's no coincidence here that that upper level high has a big blob of high temperature anomalies, up to 15 to 30 degrees above normal there in parts of Canada. For us, it's going to be another 10 to 12 degrees warmer than the normal as we head into tomorrow and Thursday. But here's that smoke. It's the grayish kind of hazy area is the wildfire smoke versus the brighter white areas with texture. That's cloud cover and some showers and thunderstorms. So this is a smoke model showing that vertically integrated smoke moving into northern Minnesota through the afternoon. And then especially tomorrow for southern Minnesota, it looks like there could be some thicker plumes of smoke moving in. Now there's still a question as to how much smoke will get to the surface, which affects air quality. Because remember, we can keep it aloft and the air quality will be fine. The sky will be hazy. But sometimes certain weather conditions can push it down to the surface, and then that becomes a problem. Dew points are going to be increasing, though, later this week. So dry heat the next couple of days, and then becoming a little more moist by Friday and Saturday, which will help set us up for the next system. We're going to be in this upper level ridge, but the next wave or trough kind of rides the northern and western edge of the ridge, heading into late Friday and Saturday, and this could spell some much needed precipitation for us. Will it be a widespread soaking that gets rid of the drought? No, but we'll take anything we can. By Saturday, it's looking like now pretty good bet of at least some scattered showers, a few thunderstorms. This is not looking like a severe weather setup. We just don't have the upper level dynamics, the shear to produce that kind of activity, but some showers and garden variety thunderstorms looking possible. And all of this is being delayed now another day. So it looked more like Friday, Saturday. Now it's more like Saturday into Sunday. And the models all agree on decent rain somewhere in southern and western Minnesota. That's the area favored for some of the highest amounts. And hopefully we get something, because after that we're back into more heat next week. It looks like quickly by Monday back to near 90. So 6 to 10 day outlook calling for high probability of well above normal temperatures into next week, which will just continue to dry things out. Because remember, anytime we have sun this time of year, it's the strongest sun of the year. It dries out soils and surfaces very quickly. So mid 80s today, back good 6 to 8 degrees above normal, topping out near 90 the next couple of days. But again, dew points will be dry, so it won't feel as steamy as what we had a couple weeks ago. And then that pretty good chance Friday night into Saturday of some scattered showers, at least in thunderstorms. Not a total washout though Saturday. There will still be some sunshine, hopefully, actually, because that'll help destabilize things to produce some of that activity. And then, yeah, we're just getting hotter again early next week.